Hello, my name is Emma. I am a student. I wake up at 7 o'clock and take a shower. Then, I get dressed. At 7:30, I have breakfast. After breakfast, I brush my teeth. I go to school at 8. We study for 2 hours, and then we have a break. I finish school at 3 p.m. In the afternoon, I do my homework and speak to my friends. Sometimes we play video games together. I have dinner at 6:30. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. On Tuesday evenings, I play tennis. I go to bed at 10:30.
Hi, my name's Henry, and I'm a doctor. I work in a hospital. I get up at 6 a.m. Then I have a shower, get dressed, and drink a cup of coffee. I go to work by bus. I work from 8 to 12. Then I have a break for lunch. I eat a sandwich or some pasta. I finish work at 4 p.m. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I go for a run in the park before dinner. In the evenings, I listen to music and spend time with my girlfriend. At 11 p.m., I brush my teeth and wash my face. I read in bed for 10 minutes before I go to sleep. At the weekend, I clean the house and see friends.
Hi, I'm Alice. I'm a teacher. I work in a school. From Monday to Friday, I wake up at 7:30 in the morning. Before work, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and eat breakfast. I teach from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then, I have lunch with my colleagues and our students. I leave work at 5 p.m. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I go to the gym after work. In the evenings, I cook dinner and relax in the living room with my husband. On Saturday evenings, we watch a movie together.
My name's Robert. I'm a student. I study Spanish at university. I get up at 8 a.m. and have a big breakfast. Then I have a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I leave my house at 9 o'clock and walk to university. In the morning, I study in the library for 3 or 4 hours. I don't eat lunch, but I drink some water and have a break from 1:30 to 2 p.m. In the afternoon, I go to lectures. After university, I see friends and practice Spanish. On Thursday evenings, I go to the supermarket to do the shopping. At the weekend, I go to parties with my friends. I go to bed late.
Hello. My name's Charlotte, and I'm a secretary. I work in an office. I wake up at 6:30. For breakfast, I have toast and a cup of tea. Then, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I take the train to work. I start work at 8:30. At 11 o'clock, I have a break, and at 1 p.m., I have lunch. I finish work at 5 p.m. In the evening, I watch TV and spend time with my boyfriend. He cooks dinner and washes the dishes. On Wednesday evenings, I have a guitar lesson. I go to sleep at midnight. On Sundays, we relax at home or go to a museum or a concert.
Hello, I'm Adam. I work in a bank. I like my job. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Then I get dressed and brush my teeth. I don't have breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I drive to work. I have lunch in my office at 1 p.m. Sometimes I have a coffee with my boss in the afternoon. From Monday to Thursday, I finish work at 5 p.m. But on Fridays, I finish at 3. In the evenings, I clean the house and have dinner with my family. I have a shower before I go to bed. On Saturdays, my wife and I do the shopping, and on Sundays, we watch our children play football.